This video is going to be on how to install the VirtualBox Guest Editions on a guest machine. Right here I got Lubuntu opened. As you can see, if I try to go full screen, I have these black borders around the screen. Another example of the issues you'll have if you don't do this is if you open up a web browser, and I'll just do a quick search here. If I try to scroll down this page with my mouse wheel, it won't move. You're stuck with having to use the down arrow and the up arrow in order to scroll up and down the page. So the VirtualBox Guest Editions will fix these issues. So let's go ahead and get started. What you want to do is open up a terminal. So you can go to this menu right here, go up to Accessories and LX Terminal. Lubuntu comes with two other terminals, but I'm going to be using this one. And then sudo apt-get update. And these commands will be in the description of the video. Put in your password. Okay, the next command will be sudo apt-get upgrade. Once your system is updated, you'll go sudo apt-get install dkms. You'll hit yes. Okay, now that that's complete, we're going to go ahead and close the terminal and reboot the system. Okay, now that we're back in, you're going to want to mount the VirtualBox GuestAdditions.iso. Now if you're in this full screen and you want to get out of it, you can hit your host F button, which my host key is my right control key. So Control F will get you out of that full screen. And then go to Devices and install Guest Editions. This will host the VirtualBox Guest Editions ISO. Just hit cancel on this. Once the ISO is mounted, if you go into your file manager, you left click right here on VBoxAdditions. That right there is your ISO mounted in your virtual CD drive. Right here, go to Tools, open current folder in Terminal. You can close that file manager up, bring this up, and type sudo sh period / I think that's a / VBoxLinuxAdditions.run. And this will also be in the description of the video. Just hit enter and put in your password, and it'll begin the installation. Alright, the installation is complete. That little flash that you just saw, it looks as if the operating system logged out of the user, and I'm at the login screen now. It wasn't a complete reboot, it was just like a logout. So I'm going to select my username, put in my password. And if you try to go into full screen, you'll see it's in full screen. Now it looks kind of weird right now, but give it a second. The wallpaper still looks weird. But if you go into your web browser, clearly it's in full screen. Let's do a quick search. And the mouse wheel is working. So let's close this up. And let's try to fix this wallpaper. What I did there was right click desktop preferences, and then if you click on that button right there, you'll see other wallpapers that are included in your Lubuntu installation if you're using Lubuntu. Let me try center on screen. There you go. So that's how you install your VirtualBox Guest Additions on your guest machine. This was on Lubuntu, and it'll work on Ubuntu exactly the same. So rate, comment, subscribe. If you guys run into any issues, just drop a comment, and hopefully I'll see you in another tutorial.